They say magic can be felt when two souls align on the same stage, and last night at the PBB Big Night, the air was thick with a different kind of energy. Chiu walked in, radiant as ever, glowing in her presence and grace. She wasn't just beautiful, she was ethereal. Dressed to stun, her every move was poetry in motion. But what truly stole the spotlight wasn't just her look, it was the unspoken chemistry that flickered between her and Paulo Avellino. For longtime fans of #KimPao, this was more than just a reunion. This was a moment frozen in time, a visual promise of something deeper. Paulo, ever the silent force of charm, stood beside her like a pillar. Calm, poised, and incredibly present. Every glance, every subtle touch between them stirred an ocean of curiosity. Could it be? Could these two hearts be inching closer to something more permanent? It wasn't just viewers online asking this. Even people in the audience couldn't help but exchange glances. Was this more than a public appearance? The way Paulo looked at Kim, it wasn't just admiration. It was filled with stories we hadn't heard yet. And Kim? Her gentle smile every time their eyes met said more than words ever could. They weren't just walking a red carpet. It felt like they were walking down an aisle of fate. Kim has always been a woman of strength, beauty, and brilliance. From her PBB journey years ago to now being a symbol of empowerment and elegance, her growth has been nothing short of inspiring. And seeing Paulo beside her, matching her energy, her glow, it's no surprise the internet is ablaze with whispers of marriage. Was this a silent announcement? A quiet engagement in the form of synchronized outfits and shared smiles? Or is it just the natural chemistry of two stars whose stories continue to intertwine? Viewers are divided. Some say it's too soon. Others believe they've been on this path for a long time. But one thing's for sure. Whatever Kim and Paulo are building, it's beautiful to witness. Maybe it's love. Maybe it's destiny. Or maybe, just maybe, it's the kind of connection that doesn't need to be explained, only felt. So, are Chiu and Paulo Avellino heading for marriage? Watch closely. Because sometimes, the answers aren't said, they're shown.